I'm Justin Bridges. I am a fashion and lifestyle photographer based in New York City. Today we're going to be talking about basic DSLR skills. We'll cover everything from exposure to how to fundamentally use the camera to get the image that you're looking for. I remember when I got my first camera, it was a small Canon point and shoot, and I remember not knowing anything about how to use it. It wasn't until I really understood the fundamentals of using the camera that I was really able to capture images that I really wanted. Whether it be somebody in action or a really cool moody picture of a friend in sort of a window lit room. The paramount thing about exposure is that once you sort of dial in understanding aperture, shutter, ISO, you're gonna be able to actually take control, going from auto to manual mode, and create the image that you really want. So we're gonna start in the classroom. We're gonna talk about the exposure pyramid. We're gonna talk about how those things work together, some of the benefits, some of the limitations, and then how you're gonna use those on your camera. And then after we've given you all that knowledge, we're gonna send you out into the wild and give you a chance to see how I put those things into action. So 2.8, coffee is in perfect sharpness, and you can barely see that that's a person behind it. And then we're gonna come back in the classroom, show you some of the images that we've taken, and I'll show you some of those go-to editing skills to take a picture from raw to really awesome in less than 5 minutes. I think that many people pick up photography because they're similar to me. They need an outlet, and they wanna do something that's fun and rewarding and enriching. Photography can convey so much with so little that I think it's important that everybody get some exposure to photography. So I can't wait to get started and dive headfirst into this class. I look forward to seeing your images, and thank you for participating.